Hello everyone, in this video we will be looking at how to apply for IPO in Alicblue. For this you have to visit ipo.aliceblueonline.com. Here you can see IPO is a type of public offering in which shares of a company are sold to institutional investors and usually also retails individual investors. So in this page you can see here top login is given. If you are a client of Alicblue, you can just put an ID and password. And if you are not a client of Alicblue, you can just open an account. If you want to open a trading account, you can just click on the open an account. Here this page will be appear. You have to just fill open an account details and just you have to click on open an account, or else you can just visit in the bottom of this page. Here also you can fill your name, email ID. You have to select your state and your mobile number and you have to just click on open an account. So friends, in this you can just see much awaited SBI cards and payment service IPO, the largest of 2020, will open for the subscription on March 2nd with a price band of rupees 750 to 755 per share. So friends, you can see here in the bottom upcoming live IPO. You can just click on here. You can see the upcoming and live IPOs. So here you can see SBI cards is open. The bid is open. Start date is 2nd of March 2020 to bidding end on 5th of March 2020, and you can see the price band of rupees 750 to 755, and the total quantity is 19. So you can just visit here and you can check the upcoming live IPOs here. How to invest in IPOs also, you can follow some simple steps to create UPI ID for your bank account and apply on Alicblue IPO using this your UPI ID. Check the mandate notifications on UPI app and approve with UPI PIN. So friends, thank you for watching this video.